welcome back to a new video today. I didn't post yesterday anyways. So today, let me show you how to organize my fidgets. And I'm going to show you how I organize them. So on my Poppet, my Slinky, and my big stress ball are in that bin that they were in before. That bin right there. But this is where all my small fidgets are. So in the top drawer, there's my squishy, my little tiny stress ball. I really like squishing it like this. My broken pea popper, it's so annoying. I got my texture ball, this homemade thing, this marble for my Poppet game, and back there are wacky tracks and snakes and my emojis and my little thing. My favorite thing in this drawer is probably, I don't know, I like everything in this drawer. In the middle drawer, there's like cubes, in the middle drawer there's my infinity cube, 2 Rubik's cubes, a marble mesh, a fidget cube, a fidget pad, all my spinners, and mazes. This is going to be a short video. What you know about love? Okay, anyways, the bottom drawer is all monkey noodles. I have so many monkey noodles. You get what you please. We about to get it all. Okay, anyways, I have this light blue unicorn one. This hold up. Sorry about that. Anyways, there's like this cyan one. Watermelon pink one. This yellow one. Purple. Purple. Pink. These are the regular monkey noodles. There's a purple one and a blue one. And I have a Poppet. Anyways, guys, if you feel, please go like. It's a short video. If you feel, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the ring button to post. And yeah, bye.